Today yeah. Today we're doing Screencast-O-Matic, but actually no, we're not doing that. We're gonna play some Roblox.
I think the thing is terrified of the cat. You're like, hey guys!
Alright, so today we're gonna play some Kirby roleplay. Are you in there, Morgan?
I'm joining. Why does it say you're not in there? What?
Hold on, I'm in there.
Oh,
I'm in there.
What is going on?
Okay, hold on.
Servers, let me see. Okay, join now.
Alright, I'm joining. I'm joining.
Joining.
Yeah, boy! I'm joining, boy! Hello. It's me you're looking for.
I just noticed that. It's all an ocean. I just saw something green and terrifying.
What do you mean?
Let me move. I saw something green over there. I was really creepy, but no.
Alright.
I'm joining you guys without
I'm gonna be,
What do you-
You guys are still playing Kirby?
yeah.
Okay, Mr. Farting Potato has joined.
Yeah, I'm joining.
I'm glad Roblox hasn't banned that username yet.
Yeah.
Mr. Farting Potato? Wait, I think that's a good thing. He hasn't banned it yet. No!
This is like, what is with the music, and why are my arms in the air whenever I jump?
I don't know. Maybe because it was like a fail or something.
I think it's because this is old.
Maybe. Wow. Come on, Hannah.
Respect.
You got respect. About the Mox Army!
Do we both die? Oh man. I come in peace. I want to join your little army, good friend.
Okay. Okay. Do something that comes in peace. Okay. Hannah, stop it. Let's see something that comes in peace. Hold on. Wait till the. Okay. Do something that comes in peace.
This is what I'll say if I come in peace. Okay.
All right. You gotta say something when you come in peace. Okay. Do it.
You jerk.
Kirby World? There's no Kirby World. That's
Will you
weird.
respect me if I put up a poop emoji?
Let's see.
Will you respect me if I put up a poop emoji?
Da-da. That does not even look like a poop emoji. You fail. Yeah, it's the poop emoji kind of looks a little different. All right. Think of any emojis that you can put on.
Cat.
Well, you're a cat, so we must eat you.
No! What about flower?
We must eat flour.
What about unicorn? Unicorns are baseball!
No, we must eat unicorns.
What about bear? The berry too. Well,
The berry, we must eat. Oh, we must eat your head. Yum 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 yum.
It just fell through his face. Okay, what about a flower?
I just told you already. We eat flowers, so.
Why do you eat flower?
Because we can, right, Hannah?
What do you guys not eat?
And he just left.
What if I put up a heart?
A heart. We eat hearts, just like Kirby does. Wait, are we talking about the fan heart? No, we don't eat hearts. So you come in peace.
Yes.
Well, actually, we eat Valentine's Day hearts, so we must kill you now.
No. What about a peace sign? I think there is a peace sign.
We eat pieces. Wait, what? Wait, what am I talking about?
I just say I come in peace. Come in peace, okay? I'm not gonna hurt you.
Oh yeah.
Night. I'll be your night. So.
Oh, sorry, Hannah. Sorry, Hannah.
I'll be your knight. So whenever somebody tries to hurt the Marks
Respect. Why is there Sonic there? Sonic Mania. Sonic's not even Kirby. It was Paper Mario and
Sonic is the worst game ever.
the worst game ever. Kirby! There's Kirby right here. Hello, Kirby. Anyway, guys, that's all for today. Make sure you subscribe and comment below. Till next time. Don't worry, we'll come back.